Every year, 12 billion sanitary pads are discarded in the United States solely, taking up to 500 to 800 years to decompose due to their plastic components. More than 56 million people use sanitary pads in America, indicating that all those pads will continuously pollute landfills and the environment. We keep allowing non-eco-friendly products to contribute to the plastic waste crisis, slowly tearing up our world. But there's a better solution to manage our periods and product use, one that is good for both our bodies and the planet.
We, a group of passionate women, introduce to you FriendlyFlow, an environmentally friendly sanitary pad that is biodegradable and made with natural organic materials. Our sanitary pads are made from unbleached cotton, bioplastic, and bamboo, providing a safer alternative to other sanitary pads that harm the environment. Our pads are able to decompose faster, reducing landfill waste and pollution. The pads are made with energy-saving technology to reduce our carbon emissions in manufacturing as well as the prices for sanitary pads.
At FriendlyFlow, it is in our interest to provide comfort, sustainability, and safety for people during their menstrual period. We believe that small changes make a big impact, starting with FriendlyFlow.